Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it.
Y'all, I haven't picked up my camera in days, okay? But I'm about to put on a jacket because I'm gonna talk to y'all. I'm really just bored, so I want to make a video. Really, that's really how I feel right now. I'm really just bored right now, so I want to make a video. But or I wanted to take pictures, but it was raining outside, so I ain't really into taking pictures mood right now. So we finna to make a video. Y'all know my little light. Where my light at? Cause I used it to make me some content earlier. Oh, it's right here on the book. I'm finna use this. So hold on, let me get my setup together and then I'm finna talk to y'all. That is the brightest light ever. But y'all, I just want to have a talk. I want y'all to get to know me. I feel like it's time to get to know your girl, DK or DKayla. My real name, okay, so most people call me DK, but my real name is DKayla, which is my channel name, DKayla. But most people call me DK, okay? So my channel is DKayla Nicole, but my name is DK or Kayla or Kay. I have a lot of nicknames. Most people call me DK though. So what else I want y'all to know? I want y'all to know that I'm 24. Just turned 24. My birthday is December 23rd. I take birthdays very serious. I love my birthday very much, and I just want y'all to know that I take birthdays very, very serious. Like, my birthday is not a playing matter. Like, we do not joke about birthdays over here. So that's my birthday, December 23rd. I just turned 24. I'm about to be 25. Woo, I'm about to be 25 this year. And I'm kind of scared, because 25 is too grown for me. I'm so used to being little old me. I was just in school, y'all. Like, whew. I graduated from college. I graduated from UTC with a degree in business, and I do have a business, but we'll introduce my business on another vlog. I mean, on another occasion, on another time, because I'm gonna give y'all a rundown about my business. Okay, I'm gonna give y'all a rundown about my business, and once I start selling, well, I think I probably make the video like 2 days or a week before I start selling for real, because I really need to do my website also, so people can start signing up for my website. I need to do that. So I'm gonna do that. I just keep putting it off. I'm procrastinating like real bad. I'm procrastinating real bad, real bad. What else? One other thing, I like to talk, so I might talk y'all heads off, but y'all gonna learn to love me because I'm really kind of funny, you know. I'm very kind of funny without trying to be, and I don't take nothing serious, okay? So don't come over here being all serious, miss. Don't be coming over here being all serious, because we like to play over here. We like to joke and we like to laugh. Nobody likes to be mad, okay? So we play a lot over here on this channel, okay? So don't take nothing serious over here unless I'm being serious. But most of the time, life is about having fun. Life is a joke. No, life is not a joke. Life is not a joke, okay? What else I want y'all to know? I'm the only child. So it's just me, myself, and I. I am the only child. I have a son. I have very good advice to give people. Like, my advice is really, really good. I'm not gonna hold you. Like, I give my friends the best advice. I give them the best. When I say the best advice, even though sometimes I don't take my own advice, but I give out the best advice. Like, all my friends know to come to me if they need help with something or want advice on something, because I'm going to give it to them. Okay? What else? It's really all you need to know about me. Oh, my favorite color. Let's talk about that. My favorite color is pink. Okay? My favorite color is pink. I'm a girly girl. Okay? I do have a son, so I'm a girly girl that likes to play sports. Let's very athletic. Well, I used to be athletic. Now, baby, I do a little 1-2 and I'm tired. Okay? Working out is not my thing. But I'm very much a girly girl though. Like, I like to get my hair, nails, lashes. I like shopping. I like clothes. I would wear sandals. I would have my feet out more than I wear tennis shoes. Like, I'm one of those girly girls. But like, I go outside and play with my son too though, with some nails on. I remember I used to play softball with nails on. People used to be like, how? Girl, don't worry about it. Just know we got done. Like, but I definitely play sports. So my son, he just don't play basketball. Just don't play basketball so far. Baseball, I don't know. I said I was gonna put him in the baseball. I don't really know. So yeah, I like to take pictures. I like social media. I really just like meeting new people. So that's why I feel like we're gonna come in there, like we're gonna be the best of friends, because I really just like meeting new people. Like, I ain't gonna say I hate staying with the same people forever. I like meeting new people because I feel like you can learn something from everybody that you meet. In my opinion, just like y'all probably gonna learn something from me, I'm gonna learn something from y'all. Okay? So I just want to come out here and give y'all a quick little about me, because y'all gonna need to know about me if y'all gonna be watching me and we're gonna be locked in like this and y'all gonna be my friends. Because at this point, I think I'm just gonna start taking y'all everywhere I go, and I don't really be doing nothing sometimes, like in my day-to-day life. When I start business back though, I will be most of the time, but like, especially with the summer coming up and stuff, and now that I'm really not in school, which we're not gonna talk about that right now, but I'm just gonna take y'all with me, and I hope y'all is here for the ride. So when I go travel, when I go on little trips, when I just do little things here, and oh, and I'm from Tennessee, from Chattanooga, Tennessee. So yeah, I hope y'all got to know me. I want y'all to comment down below what y'all name is, and what y'all want to see on my channel. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video. And I'm out. Deuces.